most fragile of places.
Hello?
Shh, not so loud.
Isn't this a bad influence?
Don't worry, it's just animation. It has no real effect on people.
Now what should I write about?
Well, I'll tell you.
There's no world except for you and me.
I am fictional, made up.
I hate myself and everyone around me.
Our mission is to describe people to themselves.
Well, there's only one thing for it, guys.
I can't hear you.
You brought me to life by electrocuting me.
Holding my breath until the last drop.
Now you need peace and quiet.